Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the eBay support. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top left corner, from which you can proceed forward with your email address and your password, or by using your social accounts. Once you are logged in, if you need to contact the support team, click on Help and Contact at the top section, and you will be taken into the Help and Support page. Here you can search using the search box for whatever issue you are having, and you will be able to find the solution through the search results. If you don't find your problem or solution, click on the Contact Us button at the bottom section underneath Need More Help. You will then be asked to choose your problem category. After choosing the category, click on the closest option that you have relating to your problem, and now you will see the Chat with our automated assistant option. Click on this option and now you will be able to directly relay your message and let the support team know about the issue that you are having using the message box. Just type in your message and click on the send button and you will receive a response from the support team right away. And there you have it. That is how you can contact the support team for eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.